Okay, today we are going to show you how to install the Microban shower head. It is the model, I just saw the model on here, model 5523. I got this on Amazon. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this old shower head off. We're going to take that shower head off. So that's the first thing. We got all the pieces. I read the instruction manual already on what needs to be done. So if there's a leak on this, we'll have to tear apart some of it and put another washer in. And if you read the instructions, you can see
what is going on.
What you need to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tear this off with some channel locks here. It's really not on there very much, and let's see if there's any pipe tape. There's not even any pipe tape on there. So that's the old shower head. Let's put that off to the side. In case for some reason this other one doesn't work, we have it. I already put some pipe tape, thread tape on this here. That's a little too close there, kiddo. And you can see that. The picture shows that it's going to sit like this when it's done. That way you can access the nozzle here on the left. So, like I said, I've already put some pipe tape on this side here. And what we need to do is put some more pipe tape on this. And we've got, maybe if I can get that started around there. Let's make sure that there's no leaks coming out of there. Not that it's really needed, but you've got it anyway. Next thing it says to do is take this little inner, they call it the, what do they call that? A lock nut with the threads this direction. Squeeze that on there, like so. Then I'm going to thread this on there. I think they call this the distribution cap. Should just go right on there. You're going to want to go around the corner, pretty semi-taut there. And so this side is on the right, the place where you can put the other shower fixture part. You can see over here, that's where that needs to go. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we can thread this piece on next. I already put some pipe tape on there. Thread that around. And we're going to do that a little bit hand tight there. We may have to put that a little bit tighter, but we should be okay. I'm going to just do it like a quarter turn of that because I don't want to scratch it and I don't want to over tighten either. Okay, so there's that. And that's adjustable. You can see how that moves around. That moves around quite a bit. So then the next piece that we need to do is put in we're going to assemble this together like so. This is the hose to the portable shower head or the extractable shower head here. And Then we need to put these other washer in there. And once that washer is in there, you can see we screw this on the bottom here. The thread's on there just right. Here we go. We're going to do that just a little hand quarter turn from that way my channel locks. Just like that. And if you don't want some of that pipe tape showing, you could have, you know, taken that down so it wouldn't be all the way. Then really you can just hang this up like this on there. And that is what that looks like. So the next step at this point is to turn on the shower head. Get my tools out of the way here. Let's go ahead and turn that on there. I think you have to. So there's that. And you can turn this to the different levels. Lots of different options there. Or you can also turn this. And finally, you can turn it one more and it comes out of both, which is pretty cool. And that concludes the video on this Microban dual head shower head.